Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Denmark. Nestled in northern Europe, Denmark is a captivating blend of rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture that beckons travelers from around the globe. From the picturesque canals of Copenhagen to the serene beaches of Jutland, Denmark offers a plethora of breathtaking locations that are sure to leave you in awe. Imagine wandering through the colorful streets of Nyhavn, where charming 17th-century townhouses line the waterfront, or standing in the shadow of the iconic Little Mermaid statue, a symbol of Denmark's fairy tale heritage. But Denmark is not just about its famous landmarks, it's also about the hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Venture beyond the bustling cities to find quaint villages like Vacabee, where time seems to stand still, and the landscapes of Mols Bjerge National Park, where rolling hills meet the sea in a stunning display of nature's beauty. Danish culture is equally enchanting, characterized by its emphasis on hygge, a concept that embodies coziness and contentment. This warmth is reflected in the friendly locals, delicious cuisine, and the country's commitment to sustainability. As we delve deeper into the wonders of Denmark, we'll uncover not just the must-see attractions but also the lesser-known experiences that truly capture the essence of this remarkable nation. So, get ready to embark on a journey that celebrates the charm and allure of Denmark, where every corner holds a story waiting to be told. Copenhagen, the heart of Denmark. Welcome to Copenhagen, the vibrant capital city that serves as the heart of Denmark. This enchanting metropolis is a delightful blend of rich history and modern innovation, making it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking both culture and excitement. As you stroll through the city, you'll encounter iconic landmarks that tell the story of Copenhagen's past while showcasing its contemporary lifestyle. One of the most picturesque spots in the city is Nyhavn, a historic waterfront lined with colorful 17th-century townhouses and bustling cafes. Here, you can soak in the lively atmosphere, enjoy a refreshing drink, or take a scenic boat tour through the canals. Just a short distance away lies the enchanting Tivoli Gardens, one of the oldest amusement parks in the world. With its stunning gardens, thrilling rides, and captivating performances, Tivoli is a magical experience for visitors of all ages. No visit to Copenhagen would be complete without a stop at the iconic Little Mermaid statue, inspired by Hans Christian Andersen's beloved fairy tale. This charming bronze figure sits gracefully on a rock, symbolizing the city's deep connection to its maritime heritage. As you explore the city, be sure to indulge in the local cuisine, which ranges from traditional Danish smørrebrød to innovative dishes at world-renowned restaurants. After a day of sightseeing, immerse yourself in Copenhagen's vibrant nightlife, where cozy bars and lively clubs offer a taste of the city's energetic spirit. Copenhagen truly has something for everyone, making it an unforgettable destination in the heart of Denmark. The fairy tale castle of Kronborg. Welcome to Kronborg Castle, a magnificent UNESCO World Heritage Site that stands as a testament to Denmark's rich history and architectural splendor. Nestled on the shores of the Øresund Strait, this fairy tale castle is not only a stunning example of Renaissance architecture but also holds a special place in literary history as the setting for Shakespeare's iconic play, Hamlet. The castle's dramatic backdrop and intriguing tales of intrigue and betrayal have captivated audiences for centuries, making it a must-visit destination for literature lovers and history enthusiasts alike. As you approach Kronborg, you'll be struck by its impressive facade, complete with towering spires and intricate stonework that reflect the grandeur of its past. The castle's strategic location allowed it to control the shipping routes between the Baltic and North Seas, making it a vital stronghold during the Renaissance. Once inside, visitors can explore the opulent halls, grand chambers, and beautifully decorated rooms that showcase the castle's royal heritage. The surrounding area offers breathtaking views of the coastline and the nearby town of Helsingør, adding to the castle's enchanting atmosphere. To truly appreciate the depth of Kronborg's history, consider joining one of the guided tours that provide fascinating insights into the castle's past, its role in Danish history, and the legends that surround it. Additionally, the exhibitions within the castle delve into its significance and the stories of those who once called it home. A visit to Kronborg Castle promises an unforgettable journey through time, where history, literature, and stunning beauty come together in perfect harmony. The scenic cliffs of Mon. Welcome to the breathtaking scenic cliffs of Mon, a natural wonder that showcases Denmark's stunning geological formations and coastal beauty. Rising dramatically from the Baltic Sea, These iconic chalk cliffs, known as Mons Klint, are not only a feast for the eyes but also a testament to millions of years of geological history. The striking white cliffs, which reach heights of up to 128 meters, create a stunning contrast against the deep blue waters, making it a perfect destination for nature lovers and photographers alike. As you explore the area, you'll be captivated by the unique geological formations that have been shaped by erosion and the elements over time. The cliffs are home to a variety of fossils, providing a glimpse into the ancient marine life that once thrived in these waters. The panoramic coastal views from the top of the cliffs are simply breathtaking, offering a perfect backdrop for memorable photographs. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty of activities to enjoy, including hiking along the well-marked trails that wind through the lush landscapes surrounding the cliffs. Whether you're seeking a leisurely stroll or a more challenging hike, the trails offer something for everyone, with stunning viewpoints along the way. Moreover, the area is rich in biodiversity, with diverse flora and fauna that thrive in this unique environment. Conservation efforts are in place to protect this natural treasure, ensuring that future generations can appreciate its beauty. So, come and immerse yourself in the scenic cliffs of Mon, where nature's artistry and the thrill of adventure await you at every turn. Aarhus, the cultural hub. Welcome to Aarhus, Denmark's second-largest city and a vibrant cultural hub that promises a rich tapestry of experiences for every visitor. Known for its dynamic blend of history and modernity, Aarhus is a city where tradition meets innovation, making it a must-visit destination for those eager to immerse themselves in Danish culture. One of the city's standout attractions is the Aros Aarhus Art Museum, renowned for its impressive collection of contemporary art and its iconic rooftop rainbow panorama. This stunning installation offers breathtaking views of the city while enveloping visitors in a spectrum of colors, creating a truly unique artistic experience. Another gem is Den Gamle By, an open-air museum that transports you back in time, showcasing Danish life through the ages with its meticulously preserved buildings and engaging exhibits. Aarhus is also famous for its vibrant festivals and events that celebrate Danish culture throughout the year. From the Aarhus Festival, which features music, art, and performances, to the food festival that highlights local culinary delights, there's always something happening in this lively city. These events not only showcase the creativity of the locals but also foster a sense of community and pride in Danish heritage. To truly experience Aarhus, take the time to explore its charming local shops and eateries. Here, you can find everything from handmade crafts to delicious traditional Danish pastries. Whether you're sipping coffee in a cozy cafe or browsing unique boutiques, Aarhus offers an authentic taste of Danish life that will leave you with lasting memories. So come and discover the cultural richness of Aarhus, where every corner invites exploration and inspiration. The enchanting Faroe Islands. Welcome to the enchanting Faroe Islands, a breathtaking archipelago nestled between the North Atlantic and the Norwegian Sea. Known for their dramatic landscapes, the islands boast towering cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and charming villages that seem to emerge from the rugged terrain. As you explore this remote paradise, you'll be captivated by the stunning natural beauty that surrounds you at every turn. The cliffs of Malalufur and the iconic waterfall of Malalufur are just a few highlights that showcase the island's awe-inspiring scenery. Beyond the breathtaking vistas, the Faroe Islands are rich in traditions and local culture. The islands have a unique heritage that is reflected in their music, art, and festivals. Traditional Faroese cuisine is a delightful experience, featuring fresh seafood, lamb, and locally sourced ingredients. Be sure to try the famous fermented lamb, known as råest kjø, and sample the delicious fish dishes that highlight the island's maritime bounty. For adventurous travelers, the Faroe Islands offer a plethora of outdoor activities that allow you to fully immerse yourself in the stunning environment. Hiking enthusiasts will find a network of trails that lead to breathtaking viewpoints, while birdwatchers can marvel at the diverse avian population, including puffins and seabirds that nest along the cliffs. The island's unspoiled nature provides the perfect backdrop for exploration and adventure. So pack your bags and set off on a journey to the Faroe Islands, where dramatic landscapes, rich traditions, and thrilling outdoor experiences await you. Discover the magic of this hidden gem and create memories that will last a lifetime. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of Denmark, it's clear that this beautiful country offers a diverse array of attractions and experiences that cater to every type of traveler. From the vibrant streets of Copenhagen, where iconic landmarks like Nyhavn and Tivoli Gardens await, to the fairy tale charm of Kronborg Castle, each destination tells a unique story steeped in history and culture. The stunning cliffs of Mon and the cultural hub of Aarhus further showcase Denmark's breathtaking landscapes and rich traditions, making it a truly enchanting place to explore. We hope this video has inspired you to discover Denmark's hidden gems and immerse yourself in its captivating beauty. Whether you're hiking along the dramatic cliffs, savoring local cuisine, or experiencing the warmth of Danish hospitality, there are countless opportunities to create unforgettable memories in this remarkable country. If you enjoyed this journey through Denmark, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more travel content that will take you to incredible destinations around the world. Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts who are eager to explore the wonders of Denmark. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting adventures and insights into the beauty of our planet. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you on our next travel escapade.